Today is June 30th, 2010. We're checking out our house in Ooltewah. Cole is walking around everywhere.
Your house is pre-wired. You got it pre-wired for cable, and it looks like it's pre-wired for. No, it's got both. That's normally.
Cole just made a huge poopy in his pants. He just stopped over there and took a big poo-poo in his pants. Here's our kitchen. They just put the cabinets in. And our appliances are coming tomorrow. Here's our front door. The neighbors outside playing. There's the great room. And the stairs that lead up to the bonus room. This is going to be Cole's room. Right next to our room. And our bathroom. Just put the sinks in the vanity. And the bathtub so we can watch the neighbors while we take a bath. We got a lot of blinds. A lot of blinds to buy and a lot of curtains to put up. And then here's the hall bath. No lights yet, so you can't really see it. And then we'll go see the bonus room. And the bathroom upstairs. And another closet. And here's the front bedroom, which we're going to use as a guest room. And the closet. Here's out the front door. Just put our sod in. We're hoping that it's going to make it. And our landscaping has just been put in today. There's the neighborhood. And the other house that's being built. And our neighbor's house. And there's our house.